ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like.
Hey friends, welcome back to Cora Sue's Cozy Castle. Today is a short cleaning video of the main area of my house with a little bit of laundry thrown in. I hope that all of you are well. I hope that this video maybe makes you feel a little less lonely for the day. And I hope that everyone is staying safe and healthy as I am, and I'm sure you are, still in continued prayers for our country and our world. Our day-to-day life is a little bit different than it normally is, so I have all 3 children at home. So it's been a bit of a struggle to just get into a normal routine as we know it now. So again, I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell to get all of my latest videos. I wish you all the best, and I will see you guys in the next one. Much love.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting.
My oldest son, Britton, helped me do the strawberries this morning, but he put them in the wrong side of the sink. So that is why you're seeing me scrape all of the strawberries to the other side.
Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they pass.
Here I'm using the Mrs. Meyers all-purpose spray to just wipe down the furniture in this keeping area room. I just like the way it smells, and it just kind of freshens the place up.
We're gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed,
This is my Shark Steam Mop that I'm filling up. I usually use this when I'm trying to do like a quick mop. It uses no chemicals. You could put a spray and mop if you wanted to squirt that over the floor while using it, or sometimes I've seen people take essential oils and put a couple of drops on the pad. I just use water today. That's all I had on hand, but it does a really nice job and just kind of takes up any kind of smudges or things on the floor. So I really highly recommend this mop. I think Amazon has a deal on it. I will look for that and link it down below.
Baby, time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed.
Okay guys, that's going to be it for this video. Just the laundry is left. As always, I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. I can't wait to see you in the next one. And don't forget to click that red subscribe button. I would love for you to join me. You guys have a wonderful day. Much love. Bye.
Gradually fades away. All the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up,
want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright.